Greetings, goddesses and gods. Real quick, man. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what day it is. I don't know. You guys are beautiful. You guys. First of all, I want to thank you guys for communicating with me, contacting me, for the phone conversations that I had with you guys. You can't. As bad as everything is, right? It's all beautiful to communicate with like-minded people, right? So, what I'm going through my mind right now at this very moment, other than there's other things been going on since this morning. Today's Earth date is 0927-2018. Okay, we're creating reality. We're creating a new culture. The Hawk was wanting me to focus on this lightened road of culture, to change the whole culture, not just to make one culture, but different cultures outside of this culture, the normal. So what I'm being told is, this goes back to shamanism, right? This goes back to what is an actual shaman, and this just inspired me. I was looking at Instagram, right? And I'm not big on conspiracies and beliefs of such, and because that controls you, and you become part of it, and it's not even ours. It's not even our conspiracy. That's what's fucked up. But I'm looking, but and then so I was like, okay. I was like, man, I should just mute this person, mute it. Same with pornography, same with any political thing, how it angers you. Why does it anger you? We don't even nothing to do with it. It hasn't even, I was like, oh my God. So this is what shamans do. We take in everything in the mind. Because some people cannot do that. Some people cannot think of committing murder or committing an act of violence to somebody or any such thoughts, right? They can't do it. That's shadow. The one who becomes this shadow, the one who integrates with this shadow, this twin flame or whatever the fuck it is, right? Whatever. We take it in, okay? So you take in these conspiracies and you play it out in your mind as you experienced it. Then you start seeing it. Same way with committing an act of violence to somebody. Play this out in your mind that you're blowing somebody away or you're fucking beating someone down, and play out, and then play you getting beat down. Play out these scenarios. Even though this shit ain't happened, you might experience something similar in a different way, that's all metaphors. It's metaphorically, this shit's not what it is, this is not what it is. So we play these scenarios out, we become wise, and we see shit. Then you start seeing it, you start seeing other people, these symbols come to you, what the fuck? It's all there. And then so when people come to you, and they want to ask you shit, or you meet people, these thoughts that we all took in, someone getting hurt in such fashion of violence, that you meet somebody that has been hurt through violence, or their loved one, or their whoever associate got beat down or something, right? It's about being one with that, being one with all these thoughts, being one, being on not an understanding level, let's get this straight, understand is not understand. Listen to what you're saying. It's overstand. Once you overstand such crime, once you've experienced crime or violence, you become one with, now you have compassion, and you can help heal, right? You can help shine light, because you already talked this out in your mind, and they're not, though. The memories are so fucked up. Your memory, everyone's memory is so fucked up. Nobody remembers shit the right way, ever. When? That's why we're always caught up on, oh my God, it didn't sound like so-and-so like before. But you're not supposed to, because this is your new you. This is your world. This is you. You're making this shit. You're writing as we go along. So we don't have to be like so-and-so and correct meaning and fuck it. It comes out different. It's meant to be different. Because that's what we're supposed to do. Be different and unique. Fuck the meaning words. We're making our own meaning words. You know, you dig? Like, this is over. Like, it's over, yo. Like, once you become one, real quick experience about to beat down. When I ran into my abuser, I don't know if I filmed, I don't even know. But I ran into my abuser putting scrap. I was taking scrap to the yard. I ran into my abuser. He don't recognize me. This is when I was like 12, 11. I worked at a greenhouse. We all got abused, molested, or whatever you want to call it, through smoking weed, you know, drinking moonshine. I mean, come on, like, just the story goes on. That's another story. So, you know, and it was in a moment, and I was like, I just said, well, I pictured myself just killing this person right now. Bam! Right here in public, right in this scrapyard, right where there's cameras. I don't give a fuck. But what I had to do was go to my heart and say, I'm sorry, I love you. And I had to face, this is like journey. When you go down a journey, you reclaim your soul back. You journey, you go down, it's right here. He's right there. I'm sorry. I forgive you. Life changes, yo. Look at what's going on the other side. He don't look too friendly. He getting what he deserves. I've seen it. I've seen him several years before my enlightenment. He had a cast on his arm. So that's telling me he's getting what he deserves, what he did to all of us kids. And once I became one, so to retract my thought, once I thought that I could kill this guy right now, right fucking now, I became one with this thought, became one with this murderer. And then the more adrenaline rush up, like, let's do this fucking shit right now. Or just even say anything. Like, and at that moment, I'm like, wow, this is what a murderer thinks. This is how he thinks, or she, or whatever. Or he might not even think. Maybe it is. That's what I'm assuming. It's what I thought. And you end someone's life, and you can also, you know, go on that road, you know, and you play these scenarios out, all in a flash. This is not days, it's all in a flash. Like, it comes so fast that you won't even know what the fuck happened, because you'll start crying. Once you start crying, you know what's going on. These tears mean that you're finally seeing the truth. You're finally seeing who we are, who they are, what this is, what that is. It's all there. Like, we don't need to look anywhere. It's all inside right now. I'm looking at a buzzard, a turkey vulture. He's taking all this shit away. Alright, so I love you guys so much. I've been busy with working in my mind and trying to figure out where the fuck I'm going. Trying to follow this passion road or whatever, and seeing what I attract. So, starting culture, starting a new fucking. I'm acting like someone's sitting there. Ain't nobody sitting there. I got something new coming up, but anyway, it's been 8 minutes, so we know the attention span is like a meme. So I'm gonna break out here. So I love you guys. Nice vlogging for the truck. Good to get these thoughts out. And to all you new guys, new cats I've been meeting and talking to, I love you too. You guys it's been a blessing and just awesome to actually go and actually talk to a like-minded person that isn't in your house, because people in your house don't know where the fuck you're talking about. That's why we got to reach out to people across the country or fucking across the planet, you know, all this shit. So it's a blessing to actually know one day, man, we're going to get something together. It's coming. It's coming. I don't know what it is, but this is some collective thing that we're building right now. And it's going to be on a global stage. And we're going to capture the eyes of the youth, because that's what it's all about. I love you guys so much. Be unique and be inspiring. So when we capture the eyes of the youth, we have to go change with times. So that's why we always go back to the children and see what's up and how can we control that. I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Be unique, be inspiring, and be fucking magical.
Well, you don't hear and you don't see nothing yet.